Once your Facebook page is set up, the next thing to consider is whether it can be discovered easily. Facebook users like to search for relevant people, events, and businesses. The algorithm also suggests businesses for people to follow based on their location and their preferences. So how can you make sure that your pub is showing up in the Facebook feed and is also in the search results, or whether it's being shown as a recommended page to follow? Let's find out. Having a well-optimized presence is so important in Facebook, so making sure that you keep your page full of up-to-date and relevant information is key. When presented with a list of potential pubs to visit, customers will be looking for key information like how far away you are, what your key features are, and whether or not you look credible. One of the most important pieces of information to check is your address. Facebook will automatically put a pin on a map based on the address that you've given. Double check it's correct, as this information is trusted by users, and if it's wrong, it could lose you a potential customer. Next, look at the description that you're currently using. Does it include your pub's name and your pub's location? This helps with anyone searching on Facebook. You could include some other key features and benefits like having Sunday roasts or a pub garden. Next, check your key information such as your phone number and your website address. All of this is so important to get right, not just for the customer, but also for Facebook to see that you are a verified business. Opening hours are also essential to get right, as Facebook will automatically list whether you are currently open or not. Facebook reviews can also help more people to find you. You can let customers submit a rating and a review or recommendation for your page. Visitors to your page will find valuable information that will increase their trust in your business. So recommendations also allow your page to appear in searches for specific items such as menu items. So the more reviews you get on Facebook, the higher visibility your pub will have. So to summarize, include your pub's address and check that pin on the map. Include a URL link to your website. Include your accurate contact details like your phone number and your email address. Check those opening hours and encourage reviews on Facebook.